Hello everybody, today I am going to be doing some more typing tests. As you can see, I got a kind of bad result. To most people this would be considered like some incredible thing. To a majority of people I should say. However, this is really bad to experienced people like me. So I'm going to be doing a few tests. I'm probably only going to get around 100 and something, because I'm not really feeling that good today. But yeah, this is the first video of my channel. I don't think I'm going to start out very well. Nevertheless, let's start. Really. So let's restart. How about that? So as you can probably tell, my typing's a bit loud. And I do miss words quite frequently. It's a bit hard to explain. If you really want me to explain, tell me in the comments. I'll try to explain it now, but I'm probably gonna get sidetracked and then I'm not gonna do as good. Oh god, that slowed me down as like freaking hell. And I just missed big, relatively large words, so I'm probably not even gonna get 100. Oh, well, damn it. Whatever. I guess I did okay. I don't expect it to be like 150. As you can see here, there's a lot of people who do really good. When I used to just play in an account, which I don't do anymore, cause you know, and I get so pressured to do good, and then you know I do bad. Again, by most people's standards, not, but my standards, yeah. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. I will do another video in like 5 seconds because I really want to get a lot of videos done. Have a nice day.